Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play co-op in Cuphead. To start your two-player adventure, simply connect a second controller to your gaming system. Once connected, a second player can join you on the overworld map at any point. This immediately brings Mugman, Cuphead's trusty pal, into the action. Playing with a friend adds a fantastic new dimension to the game, making boss battles even more dynamic and challenging, yet incredibly rewarding. As player 2, you'll take control of Mugman, who possesses the exact same powerful abilities as Cuphead. A crucial co-op mechanic involves reviving your fallen partner. If one player is defeated, their ghost will float on screen for approximately 5 to 10 seconds. The remaining active player can then parry this ghost to bring their friend back into the fight, often with one hit point, making teamwork essential for survival. Effective co-op play hinges on strong communication and strategic planning. Always talk to your partner about boss patterns, enemy positions, and incoming attacks. Consider dividing your attention during multi-phase boss fights, with one player focusing on the boss and the other on minions. Experiment with different charm and weapon combinations. For example, one player might use a long-range weapon while the other uses a close-range, high-damage option for maximum synergy. Playing Cuphead in co-op mode significantly enhances the experience, offering both increased challenge and immense fun. Be aware that enemy health pools are slightly increased to account for 2 players, adding to the difficulty. Sharing the intense boss battles and celebrating hard-earned victories with a friend creates truly memorable gaming moments. Don't be afraid to experiment with different approaches and embrace the delightful chaos that 2-player Cuphead brings to your screen.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.